video. In today's video, we are going to deep clean my fridge with you. Yeah, let's do this. This is how the freezer looks like. It's quite dirty. I have turned off so that I can be able to clean. This is the situation in the fridge. You can see this one I put meat without putting in a container, so you can see the mess. You can see it's also dirty over there, and it's worse here because no one was putting them inside something before putting in the fridge, and there are quite a number of stuff over here, so we are going to clean it. Here are the products that I use. I can alternate, or I just use what is available in the house. I have this kitchen cleaner, Astonish. I'm not sure there is one for specifically for the fridge. I assume the one for the kitchen is for everything, but currently I don't use it for the cooker. If you have been following us, I said this is making my cooker rust, so I just use Morning Fresh for my cooker. So I can either, of course, use Astonish, I can use Magne kitchen cleaner, and Morning Fresh. For homemade product that you can use, you can just mix, this is baking soda and this is white vinegar. You mix with water and you'll still get the job done. So these are my 4 options, but whatever is available, make use of it. Leave us a nice smell, and it also an antibacterial germ killer in case there are any germs. I either use this Magne or Astonish products, but for today this is what I have, and I'm careful not to put it in the to spray in these places so that it does not get it does not interact or something like that with electricity. Yeah. So for this process, I'm going to use the serviette because it's easier and faster than the cloth, because the cloth you have to keep repeating. The serviette, once it's dirty, you just trash it. So I'll now return the items in the freezer. I have cleaned the detachable pieces, and I'll just restock things back. We are now restocking our fridge. Whatever we don't need, I'll just get rid of it. These are frozen aloe vera. I don't know for what purpose. This is some meat. We have some jahe. We have some chickpeas. We have more meat. So I like putting same kind of food on the same side. So we have more jahe. So this side we do cereals. The other side we do, these are lentils. The other side we do meat products. For today we only have beef. Then we have some yogurt for our baking and also sometimes cooking. We prefer it to cooking cream. So yeah, this is tomato juice. This is not for our use, but for these are the tomato juice is for our games. These are some mixed colored bell peppers, and we have some cheese here. I think that's it for the freezer. Maybe we might need to restock over the weekend. We have the ice cubes, so we'll just refill the container and just put it back. So that's all for the freezer for now. I think during the weekend we might have to restock so that it's sufficient to serve us maybe another week or two, because we can't just have cereals only. We are done with the freezer. On to the fridge now. As you can see, we always stock our stuff in containers, and whatever was not in containers is what has caused all the mess and the dirt. You can see how dirty the fridge is. I can't even believe we are eating from there. So first step again, we start by emptying the fridge. I'm done cleaning, so now we put back the items we had removed, and of course arrange better than it was because everything was everywhere. to watch our video. Kindly let us know the kind of videos you want us to share, and see you on our next one. Bye.